guards to the airport at once. It won't be pleasant if your sister get there and none of you are there to receive them.
It's all right, Mom.
Do that fast.
All right, boys, let's go, okay?
I'll buy perfumes. I'll buy clothes for you.
Dreamer.
I am there already.
I'm in London already.
You want to go to London?
Yes, I'll get those things.
I'll go before you.
Look at this one.
I'll go before you.
You like insulting me? I don't like it. I don't like it.
I'll be there before you. I'm there already. I know. Don't you know? See, later.
Chinaya and Amaka, if my daughters arrive here and both of you have not finished cleaning this balcony, the two of you will have me to contend with. I don't know the reason the two of you can't be together without talking and laughing all the time. Thereby neglecting your duties. Are you stupid? Sorry for yourselves. You better get back to what you're doing and do it fast.
Thank you, my friend.
Don't talk to me. If you like talking.
Boy, waiting up. Why all this preparation? Everybody, every year, clean up. You know, I hear one Igbo talk saying 2 daughters they come back from abroad. The 2 daughters they come back from abroad. Say they come back. Now all this preparation they go on. Like say they do a Fala festival. Even when they do a Fala festival, the arrangement where they go on for this house never go on. I don't say no get sense. So you got 2 children, we go abroad, go study for Igbo man land. They don't come back to do this kind of thing for them. No good. You see, my man, I don't talk say you know they're good, but wait till they talk, they say the preparation done too much. Unless, as they come back with the United States of America's President George Clinton Bush, or this guy, Queen Elizabeth. Understand? So if they carry all these people come back, we feel paint everywhere, even paint this ground.
You see that place where they do?
Now my gate to be that.
My dear, pity for life because you don't know anything. Not only George Bush, Clinton, and Bill Gates, Elizabeth go follow them come. Even Michael Jackson go come. Magada of Ghana go come.
Michael Jackson go come.
He go come. He go follow them come. Since you know get saying, even this guy with the hosting of
I don't know that one.
Of Ghana go come too. All of them. So you don't know people who follow them come. No get sense. Nonsense. Call me. No packages, please.
Is it Chris? This uniform where you are and the one where we are not the same thing. Eh? Make a flip pack waiting.
Say I go down fast.
Make a flip pack waiting. You don't mad? No, if I flip pack everything, I go still for I feel go up, I go clean up. Now my gate, now I go clean. If I clean my gate, I don't say my work don't finish.
Gardener and security guard, what's the difference?
Gardener and security gardener. Gardener is a person who gardeners the gardener. Yes. While the security is the person that securitizes the security is the person that securitizes the
whether you security securitize everything or gardener gardenize everything. Me and you get the same position here. The difference is that they stay inside, they stay inside.
Ladies,
60.
we need to hurry up. I believe you all know that the guests are outside. Wow. So, whatever we are doing from this moment on, we need to do it in a hurry. Lest the princesses come back here and we're not ready.
I can't wait to see Princess Mariah. I've missed her a lot.
Really? She promised to give me lots of goodies whenever she's here. Really?
I can't wait.
Likewise, me. I can't wait. I look forward.
Well, not at all sounding as if I want to burst your bubbles, but if you girls want to behold those goodies, you need to be fast. Our guests need to be entertained. And what I would like for today is complete royal service. Is that clear?
Yes. Just us. We'll do just that.
Oh, let me not forget to say you girls are looking as beautiful as usual.
Really? Sorry.
Welcome, Princess.
Welcome, my princess.
Welcome, my princess. Oh my God. Oh. Thank you so much, my dear. Oh,
Don't worry about me.
Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mom.
Okay, let's go in.
Had a good flight?
Oh, yeah, I did. Very hard.
Let's go.
Are you?
Collect the luggages, eh? No problem, come on.
Yeah.
How far?
Thank you. You're not looking bad. You're looking bigger.
Thank you, dear. And you feel so good.
Oh, thank you very much.
You feel so good.
Yeah, good to see you. I really can't wait for this service to come. I'm tired of staying at home.
Yeah, waiting. So how far? Please.
Everything is fine. Oh, I thank God.
I'm very happy to see you.
I'm happy to see it. I'm happy to see you. Thank God.
And who is this guy?
He's just...
I just went inside to see someone. You started talking to a man.
Oh, which man? He was my classmate who were in the same school now. He was my departmental guy.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So you were her boyfriend back then in school, right?
Oh, which boyfriend?
No. Oh, he's one of the men.
No. He was in my department when we were in school.
You said what?
Please stop embarrassing me in front of my friend now.
What are you? Go! Come inside, come on. Get it.
Lily, what is it? What is it? Why is Emeka?
It's me again.
You mean Emeka got you beaten up again?
Yes, no.
What was the problem this time?
I was outside the supermarket inside the car waiting for him while I saw an old schoolmate. So I came out to see him. We were talking and Emeka now came out. He accused me that the guy is my boyfriend. And I told him he's just an old schoolmate. He just bounced on me and got me beaten up.
This boy, Emeka, this boy is not only a brute, he is vicious, he is violent and unruly. What kind of a man is this? Why does he take delight in inflicting pains on you all the time? Why? Okay, I know what to do. I am going to pick him up this time for assault. I am really going to do that. What kind of rubbish is that? Who does he think he is?
I want to take it easy. It has not gotten to a police matter.
What do you mean by that? It has even gone over that. It has gone over police matter. Don't you know what this thing is called? It is called domestic violence. Do you want him to kill you? I am not ready to lose a daughter. Your only daughter for that matter. Eh? Is it because he helped in seeing you through schools when things were really bad with me? Is that why he should treat you this way? And behave as if you are entirely his? No. No. I won't accept that. I will not. I am going to call the police and I'm going to pick him up.
Please now. He's all I have. I love him.
Come on, will you shut up? What is love? What color of love is this one? What love? Who is all you? You are stupid. You are a very stupid girl. Look at, can you look at yourself? Can you look at yourself? What kind of love is this one now? Eh? How can a man keep treating you like this and you are telling me you love him? You want him to kill you?
Please don't hurt him. He's all I have, please.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. It's all right. It's all right. But listen very, very, very well. I want to tell you, this one is a promise now. If he ever lays his filthy fingers on you, he is going to fight with me. I mean, he will have me to contend with. What is it? I'm not even saying this. It's a promise I'm making to you. It's okay. It's okay. Hmm?
Son, yes, Dad. I hope you have enough. Yes, Dad. Would have given you Mr. White. Instead of $100.
Jesus Christ! What nonsense is that? Do you need medicated glasses before you serve ordinary wine?
Sorry, Prince.
You're very lucky I'm not the one you did that to. By now I would have punched your tooth out of your mouth. Will you get your dumb ass out of this place? I said get out!
Thank you, my princess.
Sis, I think that's a mistake.
What a silly mistake. Is absolute carefulness not the first virtue of any sensible maid? I said get out!
Chidera, that's okay. It was just a slight mistake. Besides, Obina, who's affected, isn't complaining. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Please, let's eat our food in one piece, okay? Tell me, how was your stay in London before you come back?
Well, my stay in the UK was awesome. It was really nice having to study there and also live there as well.
Mom, she's right. London was fun. It's just that I didn't enjoy the winter. But I am glad to be back home.
I know.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I feel overjoyed. I feel on top of the world.
Ow.
I feel happy.
No.
The joy of a contented parent. Yes. At last I have my two daughters here. They are at the table, back from capturing the golden fleece. I have my doctor here. I have my barrister at law here.
And the baby of the house, our psychologist.
Our psychologist is here. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So overjoyed. Daughters, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry, dear. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Take water, please. Take a seat.
Mommy and daddy's things are in here.
I know. Okay, what about the deodorant, toiletries, and perfumes?
They're here, they're here.
Okay, cool. The drugs. Those drugs I got for daddy. Fine. Chichi. Zip up and follow me. Let's go.
When you're done, come back. I got something for you girls.
Okay,
And you, let me give you the payment for opening.
Yes, where's the coming? Oh, a princess.
Dad.
Princess, how are you?
Fine, thank you, Mom. We brought the things we got for you people.
Really?
I see. That's good.
I've been expecting this because I know my daughters can't come back all the way from London and not buy anything for their mother.
Oh, yes, you're right. Not buy anything for their mother. Yes, that's right. What? None for the daddy. None for the father.
Bottom line is, you know you have daughters who are very caring and know exactly what to get for you. So we got you really beautiful things from the UK. Then, yes.
Thank you so much.
Daddy, yeah. I equally got you your food supplements and drugs.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, bless you, my dear. This is so thoughtful of you.
Thank you.
It's okay, Mommy. It's okay, so.
Yeah, help me roll the suitcase down there. I'll check out them.
Mommy, you're not going to take a look at it? No.
Later. No. I want to do it alone.
Excuse me.
Right. Are you sure you want to belong to me there? You show me.
My princess, what took you so long?
Hey, I'm sorry, my princess. I was...
Keep your explanations to yourself. You think I'm going to spend the whole day and just to give you girls clothes?
Hey, Mba. Thank you, my princess.
Fine, and I'm trying to be nice on you girls.
It will be very fine of me, my princess.
It's fine, you guys can go.
Hi.
Some fresh air.
Thank you, my princess.
It's okay, just go.
Hi.
So girls, tell me, don't I look good in what I'm wearing?
Sure you do.
Yeah?
Don't I look like one of those girls that work in the Queen of England's palace?
Bam!
These clothes are beautiful. I can't thank Princess Chidera enough. What? Why that kind of look?
She said we should address her as Princess Mariana. So why are you calling her Chidera?
That's true. But what's wrong with Chidera? Is that not a nice name?
The owner says she doesn't want to be called that again. Or do you want to force her into wearing a name she's uncomfortable with?
Help me ask her.
Ah!
Help me ask her. You had better start calling her Princess Mariana and not Chidera. Or else she'll take all these fine clothes that she gave to you and still punch your teeth out of your mouth.
But come to think of it, why is it just the three of you that they bought clothes?
Are we no longer classmates in this house?
You know, I was going to ask the same question. I mean, how come we didn't get any? Hold on. I smell something fishy here.
What is going on?
Madam Perceiver, what are you perceiving this time?
Sure. Are you sure Princess didn't give them our own clothes to give to us and they kept it to themselves?
That's right. George. These girls, they are capable of anything.
Hey, yes, so.
You're very correct. You are so correct. She gave us common sense to give to you people. But we realize that you don't need it, so we decided to add it to our own.
Tell them.
Are you satisfied?
Good answer. Very, very good answer. So, Amaka and Chineye, I hope Nkechi's answer has cleared your doubt. Fishes perceivers.
Nay,
Don't mind them. I must ask the princess. Because I know she gave you girls our clothes to give to us and you kept it to yourselves. I'll ask her.
Please hurry. I'm sure she's still in her room.
Let me get there. Get ready to have this your neck twisted. And this your teeth that is like this. Punched out of your mouth.
That's normal.
That's Princess Mariano now. She's a no-nonsense lady. All they are talk rubbish.
Let me go leave them. Let them
Don't
watch.
worry.
Look at me. After me, again. Okay? Oh, boy. It's me. It's better. It's not even myself. It's not even myself.
You see me?
Very fun. See?
Who be that person? Come, who? Wait, see! That's why you will not forget of hell. They don't allow you to enter, you just force yourself to enter. You're waiting me that. Huh?
Waiting be that how? How do you mean?
They ask you waiting me that. They ask me how do I mean? How do I mean is how high. Yes. Don't you know if you knock like 2, 3, 4, 5 times, yeah, you wait. As this gate day, you know the same royal gate for I mean, if you just enter, if you say that gate of hell, is that how you enter hell? Can't you enter hell with swag?
What is going on here? Like, is that how you embarrass people who come here?
Oh, you are now bringing embarrassment. You and I, who is embarrassing each other? For you coming to my office to embarrass me. I am here. Are you not seeing the uniform? I am the chief security officer, the SSS. Yes. So even the Igwe must identify with me before leaving this place. So who are you and what are you looking for?
I don't know what you're ranting about. I'm here to see Princess Mariano.
Hey! Devil is a liar. Guys, come and see. We have a liar. This girl is a liar. Are you well? Since how many years I don't do this palace? I don't hear Igwe or the queen call Mariano or Morel. If not be this Telemundo and the NTA, or even sometimes DSS TV. I be one come watch the TV here.
Please, I'm really getting fed up with this stupidity you're displaying here. I'm here to see Princess Chidera.
Hey, you see how stuff has brought you to shame. You see, you don't even know who you're looking for. Princess Chidera, Princess Mariano, you don't even know. And for calling me stupidity, now, not only identify with you or synchronizing you, now you bring your birth certificate, your original death warrant, your BVN, national ID card, your voter's card, your poverty alleviation card, your fuel scarcity card, and your ugly card, your whom you are card. If not, you don't enter here.
Young man,
yes?
I'm getting fed up with all these things you're doing here. Can you get off the way? Let me go.
Come.
I don't even know how you got a.
Go. If your hand, near, let me not say, if your hand near this gate, who are you?
Who even employed you in a place in a palace like this?
No, if not palace like this, thank God you know that this is where my destiny is. If not here, show me where my destiny is.
Okay. You're supposed to be working in a mechanic village, a motor park, or even a mortuary.
Thank you. You've identified where you want to go now. Mortuary, Abi.
Get up.
One. Go. Is that how you do? No.
Wait a minute. Is that not my friend Julie? Why is that moron Daddy kept at the gate harassing her?
bring him here.
Yes, my princess.
People like you carry pump up and down, huh?
Can you imagine? Chidera, Mariano,
Whatever. You need to be mindful the way you talk to this people.
No. I detest bullshit and you know it.
Okay, your mission is calm and bombers.
Okay.
Yes. Guard. What is it? Don't worry, allow me to treat her in my own way.
The princess wants to see both of you immediately.
She wants to see them rubber. I said, I told you this girl, she don't know where she's going to. But if she's no, she for not say, no be sir. Your ordinary guard, stop doing me. Are you okay? It's matter you start singing, ayaga, yaga, yaga, you.
Sorry, nice to see you. Oh, sorry, welcome. I know, sir. Too big stuff again, trust me. And you? What is wrong with you?
Nothing. Say, I didn't forget, you know very well now. Say, anybody will come here, I go first, no, whether a thief or no be thief. This girl come here, I ask her, who they find, send the find Murano. And for many years, I don't work for this plan. I don't know who be Murano or who be this thing. Only from that to the mundo where...
Are you foolish?
Aye!
Chidera, what is wrong with you?
No, sister. Allow me deal with this moron. And you listen. The next time such an ugly and embarrassing incident of this sort repeats itself, I will personally make sure you're being sent back to the village. Now, get out of my sight! I said, get out! Get out! Stop there. Hold your ears. Hold your ears. Take a good look at her. I said hold your ears and look at her. She and another girl are the only friends I have in this community. The next time they come to this palace, open that damn gate to start saying a word to them. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
And you, whatever they call you, better be mindful of me in this compound.
From today,
Are you stupid? Do you talk when I'm talking?
I don't know when I talk.
Oh, yeah, smell out. Get out! Idiot. Sorry, darling. Sorry.
Well, it's okay. I thank God you finally put him where he belongs.
It's fine. It's nothing.
It's okay. Sister Ezinne, sorry I didn't even greet you. Good day.
Hi. How and how's your mom?
We're fine, thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go instead. I'm sure we have a lot of catching up to do. Excuse me, sister. Let's go. Open the gate. Open.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. For this hey God, for this house, for this palace, that person get mine slap me. No be saying a man, a girl slap me. But I think they say this girl go study University of Law. Study University of Law finish. Now for my ear, now she go learn am. That means if she go court to go lose case, she go slap everybody. Which kind of sense be this? Slap me. If now for army, this thing just like where the wife of the president slap the chief armed forces of the chief general the chief army.
My real G and Afa. So your face there like this. You hear message from village.
If I have message from village, if this I hear message from village, that one I minus 10.
That means everything good, man.
Then if I see ghost, that one, let me say the ghost, now go fear myself.
Say serious, wetin happen?
My man. Oh, if you see slap,
hey!
we are receive.
Who? How? Here?
No be even
who?
How? When? Here. Listen, I don't mind. You know, say random office with this now.
No.
Anybody will enter, will come out. Now my office.
Bam.
If thief enter, now my office to catch up.
No, you hit my birthright. No birthright.
No be saying na my birthright, na my work.
No,
understand?
Take.
So after everything, one yeye girl Why you girl? Why you girl? Enter here. I say make I synchronize the girl.
Synchronize?
Eh.
He done.
He asked me the meaning of synchronize. Synchronize now. The synchronize of the synchronize. So as I say, make I synchronize the girl if you finish. Now the girl enter, bam! As the girl enter here, on. As I enter, my brother, make I go answer with my church mind. As I enter, wait I hear for my face now. That why?
Did you die?
My brother.
Is he here?
Since that I wish you slap me. Wait I hear for my ear now. Uncle, you will die. Uncle, join the ancestors. Uncle, yeah, rest in peace.
And it's still here.
If you say the girl slap me, I dey hear. Uncle, 1 million. Uncle, you be the owner of this house. Sorry, you be this. Here for say make I go collect another slap.
See, eh?
Girl, where be girl? Where they bend that piece? Now give me this slap.
Before she go stand up, piece of up. See, for you to hear this from my village, anybody will hear this. Okay, you go die. After 2 days, you die.
You know they say if I die, you don't go reach 1 week, you die.
You dey crazy. Now me
if I die, you no die. Make I die.
I synchronize.
I dey swear, say if I die, you no die. Eh? Make her from grave die.
Even if I die, I go do it up. You go dey beg me for water.
Listen to me. You know how where we go die. Me and you will know ourselves. Is this say? On the last day,
you see why
God fit judge. God fit judge everybody. Judge everybody.
You see why
but on the last day, God will carry your own judgment. Give you for hand. Give me for hand. Say we judge ourselves. If you are done with what you are doing, go back to your duty. Make it no be like say this slap like they can pay me again. I tell you.
Now you got some. Why go synchronize woman
baby
for here?
Girl, you don't wind up. Hi, baby girl, you don't wind up.
How can? See, sweetheart, as beautiful as London is, I still love my country. I love Nigeria.
Yeah.
There is no way I would have stayed there beyond my required years of studies. No. Enough of me, Julie. How are you? How has it been with you? What's going on with you?
It's not really been easy. You know, my mom retired from the community clinic 2 years ago, and things has really been very tough with us.
Oh.
My saving grace has been Emeka, my boyfriend. He's been taking care of my tuition fees in school and every other thing, you know. Well, I'm happy I've graduated, and I'm waiting for my youth service.
Congratulations. I'm happy for you.
Thank you, then. Well, you look a lot prettier.
Oh, thank you. Can the girls do?
Who knows what you've done to those guys in London?
I wish. But you know me. My problem is that I'm allergic to their bullshit. I can't tolerate them. So, we don't get to roll for too long.
I thought maybe now you're a lawyer, you would have changed by now.
You don't say. My studying law added to it.
Really?
It's made me realize that I am not supposed to tolerate any nonsense from anyone. Rather, I will give back the person triple of whatever he or she brings to my table.
I trust you. An example was what you just did to like me.
That's nothing. See, babes. Yeah. As long as I'm still in this community, waiting to attend their so-called Nigerian law school, anyone that tries to mess with me, I will mercilessly deal with the person. Don't try me. So tell me, have you heard from Ngozi? Do you know when she's coming back from Enugu?
Yeah, I think this weekend.
This weekend?
Yeah, babe.
So, are there new clubs in town where we can hang out and boogie that? You know what I mean?
Sure, there are new clubs in town. There is one at Esin called Equator Nightclub. There are other ones at Uri called Hector Nightclub, and there are other love gardens and fast foods and joints around.
That is so sweet. That is so sweet. Because you know, without such places, this town will be so boring.
I trust you, girl.
Oh.
What we should do and come back so that we can team up with our incredible three.
You don't say. So we can paint this town red.
Of course, girl.
Meanwhile, I got you some stuffs.
Are you serious?
Truly?
Yeah.
I traveled all the way from London to Nigeria. I got things for other people. How would you think I wouldn't get you anything? Come on. Where are these girls? What's her name again? Who is there? Hey! Who is there?
Do you mean she's not a medical doctor?
Mm-hmm. My sister, how ironic life can be. That girl is now the medical doctor this community has and can be proud of.
Jesus, I thank you. I thank you so much for what you have done in the life of this young lady. Hi. So, Ezinne, you are now a medical doctor, eh? Life is like a riddle, which no human has answers to.
That is just it. Telling you honestly. Do you know this girl is not just an ordinary medical doctor? See, I heard she studied in one of the best medical schools in London.
Igwe Nicholas Wakamma is indeed a good and great king. And I'm so glad. I'm so glad that the Lord has blessed him with a medical doctor.
Me too, my dear.
See, well, I will be on my way now because I want to see Mama Udoka before she closes from the market.
Yes. Okay, in that case, we will see tomorrow in the morning.
No problem. That's all right.
Mama Joy, please don't get carried away by Ezinne's new status and forget though.
I won't.
Please don't.
I won't.
Okay. Send me where to your children.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
Oh, good evening, Mama. She's back. Welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, ma.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, I'm about going. Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye, ma.
Oh.
Bye, ma. How are you? Fine, thank you, ma. How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
What do you have?
My friend that came back from London.
Oh.
This is Mariana.
How is she? What for us? All this?
Yes,
ma'am. My own then.
For both of us now.
Can I wear what two people wear now?
No, one package.
Let me just see. Yay! See, even all these big shoes. Oh, okay. These ones are yours.
Each time I see Ezinne, our daughter, I can't but help looking up there and saying, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you for her life.
Yeah. From the first day she was given to us, I know that she is a child destined for greatness. I know there's this special, unique thing about her. The way she reasons, the way she talks, the way she sees the things of life, quite different from others. I love her.
You know, honey, then I cast my mind back to right from their growing up years. I could see it, I could trace the way you have molded two pretty young ladies up until they have evolved into the women they are today. You're a rare one, rare woman to find. I can't thank you enough. I can't.
Your Majesty, all thanks to you too. Tell me, what is the teeth without the mouth? All I did was possible because you were there for me. You encouraged me, you supported me, you stood all the way with me. Your Majesty, you're my shield and armor of love. Everything.
You know, it really feels fulfilling to know that we have given to our community a qualified doctor now. Yes. I'm going to sit Ezinne down one of these days, and I'm going to ask her what her plans are. Our daughter has a mind of her own. If it is a hospital she needs, I will build her one. A befitting hospital and equip it to international standard. I know she can't wait to practice.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. Thank you. Yes, Chidera will go to law school, get called to the bar, and start practicing. And both of us will be proudly called doctor, lawyer, and psychologist, which our son is. All the names we will take. I'm so happy.
How fulfilling. So very fulfilling it is. Joy of parenting.
Ofune na muo oko fuchuku neke imana anyebu nwanne but we are different.
My queen, the adjustments on the list are for the princess's London dishes for Monday and during the weekends. Then the king's new menu of yam sauce is on Tuesday, while the African salad will be during the weekends too.
This is good.
Thank you, my queen.
Please hurry your girls. The king seems to be hungry earlier than his usual time today.
All right, my queen.
Thank you.
Breakfast will be ready in no time.
Please do.
Thank you, my queen.
Show some love. I say, what will it take you to show some love?
That's exactly what I'm trying to do. Yeah, I'm working on it. Okay. That's all right, no problem. Yeah, I'll do just that. Thank you very much. Okay then. Bye.
My princess.
Good afternoon. Yes? What is it?
My princess, we are not given any clue. Yes.
What do you mean you were not given any clothes? Why?
My princess, Princess Chidera, Marano, gave Chichi, Ebera and Nkechi clothes, but we were not given.
Why? Are both of you new in the palace?
Yes, my princess.
Oh, that explains it. We actually got the clothes for the 3 maidens that were here before we left. We didn't know our parents had added 2 extra people. Oh. Let me see. Okay, fine. I'll get something for both of you. So, relax. I'll get something for you too. Because what's good for the goose is good for the gander. So you just follow me right away.
Thank you, princess.
All right.
people got ordinary clothes and we're super excited. But see what we got.
Yes, girl, see what we got.
Where did you get all that from? Question. Well, if you must know, Princess Ezinne give them to us.
Yes.
Are you sure? I don't believe you.
I don't believe you at all. You can choose to believe whatever you want. All we know is that we'll be smelling like girls from London. Oh! Look at us. Girls, don't tell me you believe the lies those two just told.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure they stole it when they went to clean the princess's room yesterday.
That should be the case. And when it cast, we're
Yeah.
all here to witness it.
Yeah.
They're even dancing. Hey.
Like I was saying, that one, I'll wait till they finish down.
Ezinne, I've really been meaning to ask. Would you want to stay back in the community, own and run your own hospital, or go to the city and work for somebody in a hospital in town?
Dad, to own a hospital that I will manage and run would not be a bad idea. But I do not want to rush into all of that now. So I'll work in the community clinic for some time.
What? Of all places, community hospital.
Yes, Dad, our people are suffering. Part of what made me go into studying medicine in the first place is because of the poor medical condition of our people, which I have understudied over a period of time. You know, people are dying here and there because of one ailment or the other, which shouldn't be so if there is proper medical program on ground to educate them. The people are ignorant. There's no sensitization and enlightenment program to educate the people. Diseases like maternal mortality, HIV/AIDS, polio, diabetes, breast cancer, typhoid, malaria kill our people every day. Yet so many people do not even know about them. So I want to go into these areas and see how I can help to educate the people on health issues.
Wow. What a huge one, my child. You have no idea what you'll be doing for our people if you do all these that you have mentioned. And if you visit our community clinic and see what our people are going through there, so you will appreciate that our people are also
suffering.
They're going through a lot.
You took the words out of my mouth. Suffering is an understatement. See, I want to say here that I feel proud that the one person that has come in to salvage the health situation of this our community is coming from this palace. My palace is my daughter. Isn't it?
Dad.
I'll drink to that.
Wow. Congratulations to you, my child.
Yes.
Yeah, Dad, I think you're right. I think one of the major problems facing the community clinic is lack of medical facilities. Because I've been there once or twice, there's nothing there. They can't even operate on operation because they don't have the proper medical equipment for an operation. And when there is a power outage, they don't even have a common generator to power the place.
Is it that bad?
Yes, it is.
whose responsibility is it to take care of the clinic?
Local or state government?
What then are they waiting for to take care of the place? Or do they enjoy seeing people die because of their wickedness and negligence?
Criminal negligence. Chidera, the people in authority simply are not helping matters.
Dad, that's part of the things I intend to deal with. I'll be needing your assistance for both the local and state government level because I need them to come in to support and better equip the clinic.
Right. I'm in. I am in. I am in. And I am in because I am the ego of the community. So I am in. I am in. Huh? So when we reach that bridge, we'll cross this.
Thank you very much, Dad. Thank you. Chidera, get ready. You'll accompany me to the clinic this morning.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm so happy about that.
Cook, they try this day, so. Yeah, so I'm going to do this one. Then try. Hey. Well, I'm mad. Huh? I'm mad. I'm not too here. You see what? Someone marry. Marry. L-E-M-R-R-Y. For real. Marry. For real or for dream? See, let me tell you. No one marry. What? I don't get girlfriend. I don't get sugar mom. I don't get man friend. Sorry. I don't get person where they walk out for road. Pass. Say we can come check me. I don't get anything. And sometimes if I sleep, if I sleep, I come out. Everywhere. When they use soap, when they do this thing, they sing Westlife. When they use soap. So are you? I thought every time soup no dey, detergent no dey, the tone no dey. So I use all these things. God let Incha not like Incha. Soap is my Lord and my personal Savior. That clean where I keep here yesterday, who use it? I use them the clean with Incha Brap. Ija walk. So look, I tell you now, forget all these ones where they talk. Why I won't marry? You say, if I do this thing, one day, wow. One day, I feel you soap. Where would you go here? When I want medicine come out, will you go here now? Take it easy now. You know you eat pepper. Understand? Come be set tired on boss. So now I want marry. So I feel married, come the born, the train children, come get plenty children. That kind of thing. This is talk good though. But problem there. Now why I want me advice? But the problem now. Who won't cause himself? Who won't carry himself, put himself for problem? Which problem, sir? Who wants to trailer they come go meet him? Tell me kill him. The person they mad. How you go see my person marry you? No be people they marry people, their family go church, give thanksgiving. Person who marry you, waiting they go talk for their family. Money you no get. Occupation, you come and get man, tonto get man. Now you be. Future. You know what they call future ambition? Thunder go fair you. Now your family, now you don't get future ambition. Why do you say anytime I tell you say make you advise me, or anytime I say make you show me something for this life, you know go do it. Make I give you history now. Alistu Dangote was once a Gateman. Aliko Dangote. Okay, sorry. Aliko Dangote. He started like a Gateman. The owner of Chelsea. Maybe Gateman, farmer. Okay, sorry. The owner of Chelsea, Abrasmovic. Abrasmovic. He's from Chelsea. He started like a Gateman. Even the owner of this okay, don't worry. Everybody can. You want to say you go start from Gateman? No, I'm not saying you go started like. No, you want to make I help you. Shut up. It's not if you do mistake for me. So leave that kind of thing. If as he did now, he be gardener now, they cut all these flowers. God now feel promote you now say no flower. Me make you they cut plantain. Is it no promotion?
No funny shit. Man, start from flower to plantain. You not talk from flower. I go cut something else.
Like uncle. Eh?
No.
Leave that.
Find better thing.
All these things you no. I know they like you do it. They take talk sometimes. I don't tell you person they live because. Shut up! Who be that person?
Who be that? What I mean to do? Who that mean talk?
Before you see me no bata.
Uncle, bring that meat. Oh, funny shit. Like this one take money.
That time. I eat this meat at my own convenience time.
I be your man now.
Shut up. Come on, go.
Okay.
What have you done to me? I asked you to remain in the living room and finish up with the paper while I get this done.
I had wanted to do just that, but you see, the aroma in here invited me over. So I had to go. So I'm here now.
I know, and I'm cooking your favorite dish.
I can see. Even the aroma says it all.
And if you want me to get this done on time, you have to go back to the living room and continue with the paper while I continue with my cooking.
Alright then. Only on one condition.
I know what you want.
Thank you.
but we are different. But we are different. Gulu to your temper, go fellow la luzura nini. Whether to be nani o, kelu wabaziani. Cool your temper, oh, cool your temper. Before you punch a tutu out of somebody's mouth. I say, what will it take you to? Show some love, my dear. I say, what will it take you to show some love, to show some love, my dear. No matter your
Come. Let's. What's wrong? Come.
Thanks.
Chidera, can you at least come? Let's go in and say hello to the resident doctor.
Okay, after you.
Listen, I need to remind you, this is Ezialoma Community Clinic and not St. Nicholas Hospital, London, or Oxford Teaching Hospital. This is also not Federal Medical Center or Lagos University Teaching Hospital. These are part of the things I intend to deal with on the project I'm handling. Shall we?
What will it take you to? To show some love, please show some love. And you need a proof. Well, if a chineke nanyalui, where a quickul, Robodo Ibo. Well, a cochukunelui, one name. Oh, well, I'm a mifegio. Ejikwana oh, your money and your connection. We me wundo budoi. It's not by your power, oh. It's not by your mind.
Good morning. Yes, please. Can I see the doctor?
You have to wait for him. There's an emergency and he's attending to it.
Now tell me why people won't die when they come to an environment like this.
Chidera, this place is really bad, yes. But you do not have to rub it in.
I'm sure that he has not come here before.
No, did you say so?
If he has, he would have known that this place is in a horrible state. Sick person is supposed to be brought here.
Please, who is Chike here?
Come and see.
Thank you.
Now you can see that the work I have to do here is enormous.
Honestly, sister, I don't know where you're going to start from.
It takes the grace of God. He will definitely see me through.
Amen. Look, I can't stand this anymore. I can't. Just take your time. I'll wait for you in the car. Jesus.
It's okay.
Jesus.
It's okay. But we are different. Cool to your temper.
This one you already out. Didn't you see the doctor again?
What sort of stupid question is that? Is it also part of your duty to ask dumb questions?
Sorry, my princess.
Will you shut up and open the door for me?
Yes.
Dumb ass.
You're welcome, my princess.
Thank you.
I'm also glad when I heard that you're now a full medical practitioner. I was so excited. Your people have some medical problems, and the team of medical personnel, we have done our best to see how we can assist. But what can we do when the environment is not conducive?
I can imagine how bad things are here. You know, from the moment we stepped in, it spoke for itself. It was that bad, my sister couldn't even stay here. She had to step outside. I must say, your environment is really discouraging.
This is part of what I'm talking about. I mean, if you listen to the news, you will see that there are all kinds of sicknesses and diseases all over, and we don't have anything on ground to assist the people. My princess, your people are dying. I have made efforts to the local government authorities and other agencies to see on how they can come to our aid by providing materials such as drugs and other equipment to help the people. But all my efforts yielded no positive result.
I see. Did you also try to reach out to my father?
Yes, I did. God bless the king for us. He's been the only one that has responded to our pressing issues. As a matter of fact, the equipment or the structures you're seeing on ground, we are single-handedly provided by your father, the king. But we still need the presence or the assistance of both the state and the local government. My princess, we need equipment.
It's really sad that the clinic is in this state.
When your father called me and told me you were coming to see me, and that you have decided to give your services to rescue or to serve your people, wow, I was so glad. And your people need your services. Thank you, my princess. What a humble way to serve.
I'm here to serve my people. Please, can you show me around?
Sure, my princess.
There's absolutely nothing here. This place shouldn't even be referred to as a clinic because it doesn't have anything that looks like one. My God.
But the good thing is you're going to be part of the management of this clinic. At least with your influence and that of your fathers, you can get the attention of both the state and the local government to help us fix it. You've seen for yourself.
I swear if I ask you this again, you will not like me.
I don't know who the person is. I don't know the number. Besides, it's not saved on my phone. Please believe me. It's a wrong message.
Oh, I see. A wrong message. A wrong message. And okay, he said he's missing you. That means you guys have been seeing yourselves. Obviously, you've been having a swell time together.
What are you talking about? I don't even know.
Will you just shut up when I'm talking? Just shut up! Oh, you think I will believe all this trash you're saying? You think I believe them? Right? See, let me tell you. I will not let you cheat on me under my nose in my own house. I won't let you do that. You're not cheating on me. I said you're cheating on me. Will you just shut up when I'm talking? Please shut up!
Obviously wrong. I mistakenly hit your car. It was a mistake.
Will you shut up? Is it that you're blind or you've allowed your too many family problems becloud your sense of reasoning?
I said I am sorry and you are bringing my family matter into this.
How dare you talk back at me in that manner? Are you mad?
I said I'm sorry, you're still insulting me.
You slapped me! And I will do it again and again.
It's okay. What did you do? It's okay. What? You slapped me.
You want to fight me?
Yes.
You want to fight me?
It's okay. It's okay. I said it's okay. It's okay.
If I don't leave this place this minute, I'm going to break this asshole into pieces.
It's okay. I feel it's okay.
Hey. I am her elder sister. What happened?
I don't care who she is. She slapped me and no one slapped me and go scot-free.
Will you stop ranting, young man? You're standing before the princess of Asia Loma Kingdom. You don't rant like that. She asks you a question, you should reply.
Easy. I can handle this.
My princess, you're welcome. I just drove in here to see my wife who delivered yesterday night through operation and the baby died. And I was trying to park my bike when I mistakenly hit her car and she jumped down before I could say a jack. She slapped me.
I sincerely apologize for whatever it is my sister has done to you. Please find a place in your heart to forgive her.
Okay, princess.
About the loss of your child, I'm equally very sorry. Do take heart. What's your name?
My name is Ejike.
Ejike who?
Ejike Kenneth Okudere.
Ejike Okudere.
Yes, Your Highness.
Okay,
yes,
fine.
Princess.
I'll speak with the resident doctor. I'll foot your bills, everything.
My princess, God will bless you and bless the work of your hands.
Amen. That's okay. I'm really sorry.
Thank you.
Shall
Thank
we?
you, my princess.
Thank
you, my princess.
I know where you come from. Can you give me some minutes?
Okay, my princess.
Chidera, you got this completely wrong this time. Completely. I have always told you to calm down. You're a woman. Not just any woman, but a princess. Assuming we had reporters or newspaper in this community, imagine what the headlines would be like. A princess slaps a man because he hits her car. And it's not as if he caused any damage to the car. You really, really, really need to calm down. You know how many times this attitude of yours got you into trouble in the UK?
Sister, you know how much I hate bullshit. I hate dumb-ass niggas around me. What was he thinking before he hit our car with his wretched bike? What?
Chidera. That man's wife had a baby last night through CS. And the baby equally died, from what he told me. Is that not enough reason for any man to lose his mind?
Is that an excuse to hit our car? And to think that he had the guts to talk back at me while I was talking. He's lucky I didn't pull out his tooth. See, sister, I've realized how dumb our people are. This community needs someone with a legal mind like mine to sharpen the minds of dumb-ass niggas like that animal outside. See, while you're busy working in your medical projects, I'll be busy working on the legal aspects, using my hard style to put some common sense in their heads.
You cannot really achieve anything with this lifestyle of yours, if you ask me. Sincerely, you really need to calm down. You need to calm down. Hey! Get in.
Make you do as I do it. Enjoy yourself, baby, do I? Cause even your blue, baby.
Guys, this our Princess Chidera is becoming something else.
Princess Chidera or Marianne?
I don't even know if it's this so-called Telemundo name that she's answering is making her behave the way she does.
My prince. Which is my
Which is my
prince?
prince?
Which is my prince?
Open the gate.
This one, the prince is driving out all alone. Who knows where he's going to?
Him na guy man na. You know say na chick matter in the golf.
Is it not better he drives out alone? Who has the power to drive him this hot afternoon?
Abiu.
See, guys, he has gone, okay? Back to our gist. Guys, we're in our community clinic when one unfortunate guy mistakenly bashed his bike on our car. Man, can't believe it. Princess Chidera just...
Mariano. Abba.
See this your teeth? Very soon, she will punch it out of your mouth. What is your problem? I wonder where this Chidera or her name is coming out from.
See. Let's finish this matter. she just stepped out from the car, slapped this guy. Go!
Are you serious?
You don't even know what happened. It took a quiet intervention of Princess Ezinne to calm things down. If not,
why is she always speak to her, Sean? I think the king and the queen needs to talk to her because she's really taking things out of hand. They said she studied law in school, but she doesn't act like one who studied law.
Yes. I prefer Princess Ezinne.
You prefer Princess Ezinne?
Well, she's good and she carries everybody along.
She said everybody in this village are dumbasses. They will need a kind of legal mind to fix things up in this village.
Indeed.
Or Chineke. Everybody Chineke or Unkusunile Kenya.
Let me tell you guys, we need to do something. We need to do something to avoid a problem. If you like, continue your music after the rain.
Careful. I will Chineke.
Can you just go?
I will Chineke. I will go to Chineke.
For me. After the rain.
I've lost appetite, self.
Please now.
You know, you say they talk about princess.
Mr. Food.
Ale?
I'm coming and get you.
Is the food ready?
Yes.
Even let me dream. I like it. Good.
Meet my girlfriend, Gloria. Glo, my parents. And my two beautiful sisters, Sister Ezinne and Mariano.
Good afternoon, sisters. It's my pleasure. Your brother never ceases to talk about you.
Good afternoon. How are you doing, my dear?
I'm fine, my princess. Thank you.
Obi.
Yeah?
Is this the girl you talked about?
Yeah, she is.
What is your name?
Gloria, my princess.
How old are you? Where are you from? What do you do for your living? Where do your parents stay?
Chidera, which of the questions do you want her to answer first?
All, of course.
Oh, okay, fine. Her name is Gloria Wako. She's from Umba.
Obi, don't give me the impression you brought a girl that can't speak of herself into this palace.
No, I can speak for myself.
Chidera, don't you think you're embarrassing this girl?
I'm not, sister. Dad.
Yes.
Is Obi another heir apparent to your throne?
No, but of course, he is.
That means whoever he marries automatically becomes the queen of our land.
That's right.
See? So what I am doing is very legit. Obina must marry a girl with class, principles, a girl that has integrity. Not some girl from the slums. So tell me, who are you?
Like your brother said.
Assume my brother said nothing. Just go ahead and answer all my questions.
It's obvious your sister doesn't like me. It's crystal clear that she hated me even before we met, more than words could explain.
Sweetie, please. I don't want you to take this personal. Okay? This is your first time of visiting this home and I don't want you to be uncomfortable. Just take it easy, alright? Please.
Even if I'll understand, I'm not getting married to her. But it is not good for any member of the family to dislike me.
Sweetie, no one is disliking you. Alright? I don't want you to feel uncomfortable about this. Stop taking it personal. My sister is always like that. She's always showing off, if you ask me.
Imagine the way she embarrassed me with all sorts of questions. At some point, I thought I had lost it. I didn't even know what to say.
Sweetie, come on. The most important thing there is that my father, who has been asking me to bring you home, he likes you and approved of you. Okay? So take a chill pill. Put a smile on that face, please.
Are you sure?
100% sure.
Considering what your sister displayed over there.
Sweetheart, if my father doesn't like you, you won't stay this long here. Believe me. Alright? Come on, put a smile on that face. Alright? Smile for me. That's my girl.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
My destiny, oh my destiny, oh, Gateman, oh my destiny, my destiny, my destiny, oh, Chora Mogeti, no, my destiny. Namibi Chief Doctor, Managing Director, Chief Security Officer of the Royal Gate. If you want enter, oh, no problem. But get ready to provide you the following things. Your death certificate, your birth certificate, your first scarcity card, and your BVN. Oh, for this gate, I'm in charge. Now me be Oga. You must pass through me before you see me Oga. Bata, bata. My destiny, oh my destiny, oh, Gateman, oh my destiny. My destiny, my destiny, oh, Choro Mogeti, no, my destiny. Akala kam jibiu, onyega nalumia. Ife chukunyalum, onyega nalumia. Everything I have, everything I get, all my properties, unageti kam lutaloya. Onyanyufu, itolina pumugeti. And what do you think you're doing?
So wait, it has been you all the while.
All the while, wait. What's happening? No, what's happening? I forgot to tell you, say, I get biscuit and I get the boy.
So what is in your mouth? Boil.
Biscuit bone. Biscuit where I buy. No, biscuit bone where I remember for the food where I chop. So aside, someone can come close to the pot. Chop this thing. You know, so the thing no warm well. I want to make the hotness of the pot. I want to make it from my mouth. That's the thing.
So only you, a common, simple, ordinary Gateman, has the guts to ransack the royal kitchen. The king and queen must hear this.
Wait. Yeah, it has not gotten to this point now. Is it not just common meat? What you concern the king and the queen for this matter? Okay, sorry. I said sorry. If not the meat, I'm very, very sorry. Even for the whole meat ready inside, and the smallest I collect, so no need of disturbing the king and the queen. I can put that.
Hey! What do you think you're doing?
Let me put it back so that...
So, you even had the infantry to size all the meats. You were checking their sizes.
Yes.
Before you now saw the smallest one.
I meant...
Hey! The king must hear.
Stop. Why this the king must hear? It is the name of this meat. The king must hear this. I said I'm sorry now. Why would you want sack me, Uncle? I'm sorry, I want you to take care.
You dare not do it to him. And for this act, your punishment, you're going to be my dry cleaner for 1 month. My dry cleaner.
Wait, I go dry clean. Wait, the pots or the kitchen.
You are going to wash my clothes for 1 month.
Because of this thing that did not even boil well. No, this thing.
You think I'm joking?
Better take your wife. Come. See, I'm sorry. If that is the case, I will do it. It's okay.
Better. Now, carry yourself and get out of my kitchen. Get out of my kitchen.
Should I put it back or should I go?
Take that thing and get out of my sight! Hey! Which reminds me, the dry cleaning we talked about, it includes my undies.
What is on this?
My pants and my bra.
Just bring one bra since I don't talk that. Why? Small meat. Small meat. You wait until financial assembly. They really do anything. Just small meat.
Are you still standing there, right?
Alright, wait. I'll wash it. Bring it. Let me see my face. Wait. This thing to wash your pants on. What manner of goat is this?
And that's the matter. What I tell you before.
What matter?
See, they say I want to the collabo.
Collabo? Yes. I have told you over and over again that you and I were not in the same class. For the fact that we work together in this palace doesn't warrant you, doesn't give you the right to be telling me this rubbish.
But okay, see, you don't understand. I want to see anytime I see like that, I'm going to shake. This thing. I can't, everywhere is heavy for me. Is it not this thing start to come out from my ear, nose, everything? Now you go consider me. I'm a human being, no. Human being, this thing, God give you free. No, they carry on stingy like that.
It will kill you then. Huh? It will kill you then. Next time you ever mention this nonsense to me again, I'll report it to the king. Nonsense.
Give me this thing. Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you. Give me this thing here. How far?
What do you and this kid go, sir?
I don't tire. Don't try everything. This kid don't agree. What are you going to do?
She don't agree.
No, what are you going to do again?
I don't know. I want to say something. No vex. Tell me the truth. I'm your man. You feel like for everybody. No life for me. You want to chop this girl and you want data. Which kind of question be that? How go say whether I want chop or want date? You do the two at the same time now. Either you chop or you date or you chop. I want chop and date. If you want to chop this girl, if you want to chop her, if you finish what you did, make me from my office. Are you serious? If you meet me, you don't chop her. How are you? I go to the office. From here now, I go to the office, yeah?
Good afternoon, Ma.
Good afternoon.
My princess.
How are you?
Very well, Ma.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
Ngo, how is your mother?
She's fine by the grace of God.
Thank God.
Ma, is Julie in?
She's in there crying out her eyes. She's in there.
Crying? Over what? Why is she crying?
Is he not that useless boy? Emeka or whatever his name is, that says he is her boyfriend, beating her at will. He has beaten her again. But this time around, I'm going to really show him.
Excuse me? You mean Emeka beats her?
Ask her now, ask her.
All the time, oh. He beats her every time, like every time. So this is true. You mean that son of a bitch did this to you?
So, what happened this time around?
Same usual thing. A message came into my phone. He said I'm cheating on him.
When I tried to explain, he pounced on me and called me beating black and blue.
What arrant nonsense. Even if you cheated on him, he doesn't have any right to lay a finger on you. What the hell does he think he is?
This has been going on for a very long time now. He beats her up at his own will and with so much impunity.
Why? Is he married to you?
Ask me.
You're only his girlfriend, so he doesn't have any right to beat you up. What sort of nonsense is this?
Listen, each time he treats her this way, I want to come in and give him my own treat. But she will say, no, mommy, he's all I have. I love him. And I begin to wonder, any man that treats you like this when you are not his wife, what will happen when you are his own already? What will happen?
That is it though. I've advised her as a friend several times to quit this relationship with this guy before he kills her. But no, she will tell me, I love him. I can't do without him. He does it better. I don't understand.
What sort of silly love is that? How can you love a guy that maltreats you like this? Just how?
But this time around, I am going to so deal with him that he will never believe I did. I will.
No, man. Leave this to me. I can handle it. Assholes like him needs to be taught a bitter lesson.
Mama, please.
What is it?
Lord, him is all I have.
Stop me if you can.
Okay, my dear. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Mom.
I need every information about that bastard. Everything you can lay your hands on. Where he stays, where he's from, anything I can use to track him down. Now listen, guys. I want you to carry out this assignment to the letter. I don't want you to leave any trace behind. And most importantly, I don't want my dad to hear about this. Am I understood?
Yes, your friend says.
Did you hear her?
But we are different. But we are different. Gulu to your temper, go fellow la luzura nini. Whether to be nani o, kelu wabaziani. Cool your temper, oh, cool your temper before you punch it to do.
Take it easy now. Take it easy, please. Oh, shit.
Really sorry for making you pass through all this pain. I never knew she would take this to this level. I'm really sorry.
I understand, babe. I truly understand. Matter of fact is that I should be the one apologizing to you. If I didn't beat you up the way I did, she wouldn't be angry at me. Ow. And she wouldn't have taken the actions that she took. I'm sorry.
Come on, it's okay. I know you're hot-tempered and
really sorry for everything. And I promise you that it's not going to happen again. It is hurting for me to know that it is my attitude towards you that makes you cry all the time. Please, I am sorry for beating you. Please forgive me for all the hurt and tears that I caused you. It's okay. It won't happen again. It's okay.
We have heard of your latest.
Can you explain all this wild behavior? Can you explain it?
There is someone that needs to do some explanations here. It's both of you. Is it not disheartening that I've lived all my life with a perpetual lie that I am the second princess in this family? Go on, look at me!